Friends, I am proud to be an Indian Chartered Accountant. The concept of management has changed today. It is no more about managing people, it's about leadership. And the leaders today have to create objects, targets, and key result indicators not only for themselves but also for the people who are working under them. And in this process, when these are accomplished, a very good results are achieved. Abundance is created, and people become from good to better. I propose to create 4 divisions for the Dubai chapter: those in employment, those in practice, and those in business, and finally those people who want to develop their personalities. They will be divided into groups of 20 each and placed under a mentor, and then there will be a panel of trainers to assist the mentor and the groups and give training whatever they want. In this process, I am sure the members will become from good to better, and abundance will be created for all those people who are involved. My next proposal is to create an HR division in the Dubai chapter, and these people will take care of the employment opportunities for the employees and also for the employers who want to recruit people. And finally, about the feedback. Up till now, no feedback has been taken. What I propose is to take feedback constantly from you and give only those activities, only those topics of seminars which you want, so that you are satisfied. Once you are satisfied, we automatically become satisfied. Finally, to conclude, I propose to create 4 divisions headed by a mentor, and then create an HR division, and then take constant feedback. And before I end my session, I want to give you something. I want to give you a learning. It's about law of consequence. And you give first what you want. You give love, you get love. You give gratitude, you get gratitude. You give respect, you get respect. And if you give abundance, you are bound to get abundance for your own self. Thank you very much. I am contesting for the post of Secretary, Dubai chapter for the year 2013 and 14. I need your support. Thank you.